Welcome to techxlovers. Future tech inventions that are already here. Evebot Print X. Evebot Print is a handheld printer that uses thermal inkjet printing technology to print high-quality images and text on any surface, including paper, wood, material, and plastic. It is portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around and use anywhere. Evebot Print can be used to personalize objects with your own design, such as your name, initials, or artwork. For example, you could use Evebot Print to personalize your phone case, laptop, or water bottle. Evebot Print can be used to print educational prints, such as the materials as worksheet, flashcards, and posters. So this can make learning more fun and engaging for students. Evebot Print can be used to print business materials such as logos, sign, and labels. This can help business to make a professional impressions on their customers. Fisker Ronin. The Fisker Ronin is all-one electric 4-door convertible GT sports car that is scheduled to begin production in late 2025. It is a flagship vehicle of Fisker Inc., an American electric vehicle company. The Ronin is powered by a tri-motor electric powertrain that produces 1,000 horsepower and 851 Ft of torque. This allows the Ronin to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just seconds and reach top speed of 200 mph. The Ronin has a range of up to 600 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric vehicles on the market. It also features a number of advanced features such as solar roof, a heads-up display, and a fingerprint sensor. Wings Drone. Wings is a drone and delivery service owned by Google's parent company. Alphabet Wings drones are designed to deliver small packages such as food and medicine to consumers, homes, and businesses. Wings drones are small and lightweight with a weapon and wingspan of about 4 feet. They are powered by batteries and can fly for up to 20 minutes on a single charge. Wings drones are also equipped with a variety of safety features such as sensors that allow them to avoid obstacles and people. To order delivery from Wing, customers simply place an order through the Wing app. Wings drones pick up the package from a nearby store or warehouse and deliver it to the customer's door. Wing drones can land in a variety of locations, including backyards, rooftops, and parking lots. Wing drone delivery services is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential of revolutionize the way we receive packages. Wings drones offer a number of advantages over traditional delivery methods such as speed, convenience, and cost. Astrolab Flex Rover. The Astrolab Flex Rover is a multiple-purpose commercial plant-free rover that is designed to be used for a variety of missions, including transportations and cargo delivery. It is the first rover of its kind to be designed with a modular architecture which makes it highly customizable and adaptable to different needs. The Flex Rover is powered by a solar electric powertrain and has a range of over 600 kilometers. It is equipped with a 6-degree of freedom robot arm and a variety of sensors, including cameras, LiDAR, and radar. The Flex Rover can also be equipped with a variety of payloads such as scientific instruments, tools, and cargo. The Flex Rover is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore and operate at all other planets. It is a versatile and powerful rover that can be used for a wide range of missions, from scientific explorations to commercial cargo delivery. Crowd-friendly robotic wheelchair. A crowd-friendly robotic wheelchair is a type of wheelchair that is designed to navigate safely and efficiently through crowded areas. It is typically equipped with a variety of sensors, such as cameras, LiDAR, and radar, that allows it to perceive its surroundings and avoid obstacles. Crowd-friendly robotic wheelchairs may also be equipped with a feature such as autonomous navigations and collisions avoidance. Crowd-friendly robotic wheelchairs have the potential to improve the lives of people with disability by giving them more independence and freedom of movement. So this can also help to reduce congestions and improve traffic flow in crowded areas. Nexar One. The Nexar One is a dual-facing dash cam that uses artificial intelligence AI to provide drivers with real-time alert and safety features. It is equipped with two 4K cameras that record video from the front and rear of the vehicle. The Nexar One also has a built-in GPS and accelerometer, which it uses to track the vehicle's locations and speed. The Nexar One uses AI to detect and identify objects on the road, such as other vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. So it can also detect alert drivers to potential hazards such as lane departures, favor, collisions, and blind spots. So the Nexar can also be used to record and share video of accidents and other incidents. The Nexar One is a popular dash cam because of its high-quality video, AI-powered features, and easy to use. It is also relatively affordable compared to other dash cams on the market. IQAir Atem. The IQAir Atem is a high-performance air purifier that is designed to remove pollutants from the area in home and business. It is equipped with a HEPA filter that is capable of capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen, dust, mold, spores, and viruses. The Atem is available in two sizes: the Atem X, which is designed for large rooms up to 1650 square feet, and the Atem Dex, which is designed for smaller spaces up to 330 square feet. Both models are Energy Star certified, meaning that are energy efficient and have saved money on utility bills. The Atem is a popular choice for people who are looking for an effective way to improve their air quality in their homes and businesses. It is especially beneficial for people who hold allergies, asthma, or other respiratory conditions. Ring mouse. A ring mouse is a type of a mouse that is worn on the finger. Like a ring, it is typically equipped with a small optical sensor that detects movement and one or two buttons for clicking and scrolling. Ring mice are often used to people who have limited mobility in their hands or wrist, as they can be operated with just one finger. Ring mice are also becoming popular among gamers and other users who want a more ergonomic and portable mouse options. Ring mice can be used on any surface, and they are less likely to cause fatigue than traditional mice. Ring mice are more ergonomic than traditional mice as they can be operated with just one finger. This can help to reduce fatigue and prevent representative strain injuries. So ring mice are more portable than a traditional mice. They can be worn on the finger, so this makes the time idle of use to go in a smaller spaces. So ring mice are more accessible than traditional mice for people with limited mobility in their hands or wrists. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to Xlovers.